Hello and welcome back. Now, I wonder if this gives away who this is from. Two guesses. And he said, I wish I could show you the stamps. Well, the two stamps that I had on this particular one was the Gruffalo and the mouse. And again, in the bottom corner, we have the saltire. Now, we have a series of items that Callie sent me. I sent him a set of stuff, some banknotes from Germany from the period that of the German, where they were actually part of the 1920s and 1930s banknotes, which were part of the big problem that Germany had with hyperinflation. So Kelly sent me back a set of stuff which I'm extremely grateful for and very happy to have. The first one, yay! I have the Kelly stickers for the coins, for my collection. I'm very happy to have these. These will go into the books or in the future, near future. I also have from him, I sent him, along with the banknotes, I sent him one of these, which was a Brexit coin. I said to him, would you sign it for me please? And he has. And there is the coin itself, the 50p. It is a Brexit one. I actually put on the note, please can you sign this on the Brexit side, because it will actually improve the coin itself. I have no regard at all for this coin. I think it's awful. But there's an awful lot of them that have been produced. So whereas other collectors are collecting bunnies, I might well start collecting Brexits with other coin tuber signature on. So Kelly, thank you very much for that. It's wonderful to have that off you. Thank you for taking the time and trouble to do it. He then sent me an obligatory postcard, and this one is from the Cairngorms National Park. And if I just widen it up a bit, it says, hey Steve's at Bucks Coins, thanks so much for your mail and all the goodies. I threw in the wee goodies as a thank you. I hope to catch up with you soon in the Discord, virtual chat. All the best, Darren, Lisa, Muffin and Felix. And the card itself is a beautiful postcard of the Cairngorms National Park. I have visited that when I was based up in Scotland, when I was in the RAF. It is a fantastically beautiful place. It's very wild, very rugged. In many cases it's very similar to the Lake District in a lot of cases, in the fact that you get such beautiful mountainous background with this. All of these places remind me of the Cairngorms itself and the beauty of the Cairngorms. It is a wonderful place if you ever get the chance to visit. I was also half hoping that I might get a fridge magnet off him, and I was not disappointed. The first one I got was one that I've seen a few times before, and it's one that was given to the people who did the Come Find With Me last series. On there you've got Angel's Logger from A Coin Collector's Journey, Coins to Collect, is that Pocket Poet, Makamura Coins, Bungle, Grossy, and of course Christopher. So I'm very, very happy to have that. That will have the magnet attached to it in the near future and will go onto my fridge. But I wasn't lucky just once. I was lucky for a second time. Now, Callie in the past has had a fridge magnet which he's become synonymous with, and I've got one. And I'm one of the people who has one of these particular fridge magnets that he's well known for. And that fridge magnet, if I can get it out, so its packaging, is the Cali Extra Brew. Cali Brew Extra. Based on a certain pop beverage. But I actually do like this. I think it's very clever in what he's done with the logo. A bit like Califax. I think that's the one I'm missing now, is the Califax one. I'll have to try and get hold of one of them one day to complete the set. But Callie, I wasn't expecting anything off you. I was hoping that if you did, that when you send the coin back you'd send maybe a couple of stickers, but to receive the fridge magnets as well has made it extra special for me, so thank you so much. Thank you for the card as well. They mean a lot to me, and I hope that one day, possibly at the Mint, we will meet up and we can have a chat. And if you're still on for Series 3 of Come Find With Me, which we talked about, I'm more than up for it. If you decide to do a third series. To Callie, a huge, huge thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. And I wish you all the best in coin hunts or in purchasing your coins. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, with a huge thanks to Caledonian Coins. Darren, thank you so much. From me, bye bye now. Bye bye.